Hey, most of the PMP aspirants not having a mentor. Most of the PMP aspirants lack a mentor. They simply take PMP training and post training they start doing self preparation. At any point when they are stuck, no one is there to clarify that topic. No one is there to uplift them, handhold them throughout their PMP journey. A mentor can advise you on the best materials, can handhold you, can inspire you, can create a study plan which best suit for you, can provide you fast track roadmap that will help you to visualize your overall PMP journey. Here I will advise you join my PMP mentorship program that has been joined by more than 1500 individuals from across the globe, and almost the same amount of people has been already cleared their PMP exams successfully under my mentorship program. So link you can find in the bio. Just click there and you can talk to me one to one and we can figure out about your PMP journey.